Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Callinectes Sapidus, commonly referred to as blue crab, Atlantic crab, or regionally as the Chesapeake Blue Crab, is a decapod crab of the swimming crab family Portunidae. The crab is native to the waters of the western Atlantic Ocean and around the entire coast of the Gulf of Mexico. Blue crabs live about 3 years and may grow to a width of 23 centimeters, approximately 9.1 inches. They have 3 pairs of walking legs, and their rear legs, that looks like a paddle, are used for swimming. Blue crabs are omnivores that eat a varied diet and use their powerful claws to gather food. They eat things like snails, oysters, mussels, as well as smaller blue crabs. Sometimes they will actively seek out food or burrow into the sand, leaving only their eyes visible in wait for a passing meal. The crab's shell is called the carapace. The crabs grow by shedding their exoskeleton or molting to expose a new, larger exoskeleton. Shell hardening occurs most quickly in low salinity water, where high osmotic pressure allows the shell to become rigid soon after molting. Males and females are easily distinguished by the shape of the abdomen, known as the apron, and by color differences in the callipeds or claws. The abdomen is long and slender in the males, but wide and round in the mature females. Claw color differences are more subtle than apron shape. The immovable fixed finger of the claws in males is blue with red tips, while females have orange coloration with purple tips. A female's abdomen changes as it matures. An immature female has a triangular shaped abdomen, whereas a mature female's is rounded. Other species of the Callinectes may be easily confused with the Callinectes Sapidus because of the overlapping ranges and similar morphology. Females mate during final molt. That is when they are in soft shell condition, and the males will carry the females around to protect them from predators during this time. The females can produce between 740,000 and over 8 million eggs per brood. They can also store the sperm from their mating counterpart and spawn multiple times. The eggs are carried under the abdomen until they are hatched into larvae. Females carrying egg masses are called sponge crabs. The eggs of the Callinectes Sapidus hatch in high salinity waters of inlets, coastal waters, and mouths of rivers, and are carried to the ocean by ebb tides. Blue crabs are eaten by large fish, birds, sea turtles, and by humans. They are caught by both commercial and recreational fishermen and are prized for their sweet and tender meat. When the crab is cooked, it turns to a bright orange-red color. Callinectes Sapidus is of considerably culinary and economic importance in the USA, particularly in Delaware, North Carolina, Louisiana, the Chesapeake Bay, and New Jersey. It is the Maryland state crustacean and the state's largest commercial fishery. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.